Product price history report is one of the powerful tools that allows the user to track and analyze the purchase history of their products. User can easily generate reports that provide an overview of the purchase history as well as the detailed information about the cost of the specific products or a vendor. User can generate the report in both PDF and XLS format, and also it will generate a graph report for the price history. So let's see where the report is. So let's get into an inventory. Here under reporting you can see a product price history report. On clicking on the menu, that wizard will be opened. Here user can select a supplier, products and also a specific date range. And once I click on the product, we can see a list of products which are created and which we have purchased. And I have enabled this product, and you can select a date range as well as the supplier also. Okay. So on the bottom you can see a 3 options. One is used to cancel it, and one is used to print this particular reports in the Excel format, and another one is to print this report in the PDF format. So let's get into an Excel. Let's print the Excel format now. So once the print Excel format is generated, it will show a product name, start date, end date, and the purchase order number. Along with the purchase order informations are there like vendor name, product quantity, and unit price, subtotal as well. Okay. Like the same way, let's download the PDF. So after downloading the PDF, you can see it was same as like the Excel format. It shows a product name, from date and to date. Along with that you can see a purchase order number, order date, vendor name and other informations of the each and every order. Okay. So let's get into and back, and let's see the other reports, that is product price graph history report. For getting that report, we need to get into and reporting. Under that you can see an product price history graph report. Let's get into that. So in this report, user can see a generated graph report for the product history. So in this way, you can make use of this module to get a price history report and also a price graph history report. Thank you for watching.